He's from 12:30 to 2.
Really? Great job. All right, this is our company.
Next to each other.
We're here to talk about make or buy, which basically means insourcing versus outsourcing decisions, which also means that almost any business function can be outsourced. And now we have to ask ourselves as managers, does our organization perform our own function, or do we hire a third party to do it? So then we have to ask our 3 questions. How will the cost change if the company makes or buys the product or service? Are the opportunity costs associated with the alternative, meaning if we outsource, what will we do with the internal resources that we already have? And then our last question is qualitative factors, meaning how will it affect our morale, risk, the quality, and things that will have to do with our own company. So we made up our own company. It's called Make Believe Company. We farm nuts. And that means, almonds and stuff like that, not, other nuts. So we have to understand, so we can package it, and then we can hire someone to package it. So other than that, we have our unavoidable costs, like rents, utilities, insurance, which is always going to be there even if we do hire this company. So we have that option. And then we have the whole option of hiring the company, which means we have to ask those 3 questions to our manager. Saving the money is our first answer to that. How are we going to save the money? And then we're going to save the money through these 3 things. Packaging the materials, direct labor, indirect materials are all avoidable in our option to hire this company. So if we avoid that, that's going to save our company more money. The next question is what are we going to do with those internal resources? So the space that we would use for packaging can be now used to expand our company. We can make more nuts. Will the quality be affected? Are we going to be able to trust this person? Are we going to be able to, is the quality going to be great with the packaging? If we have an increased demand of our nuts, are they going to accommodate to our increase of demand? Are they going to change the price or they increase it if we increase our demand of all the nuts we need? And then we have the risk factor, which means did all this analysis, all the numbers we're doing right now, if we over or underestimate the profit, we're going to be screwed if we underestimate it. We're going to maybe lose our whole company if we actually indeed hire this company. And then at the end of the day, we have to make the decision to either make it or buy it.